A lot of times it's easy to get distracted by subscriptions and views and think that, oh, I didn't get this, I didn't get that, when really your attention should be on getting to 100 videos so that you can go through the process of quantity and quality and get better. Then once you get to that 100, you know you've actually made it past a threshold that a lot of people don't. And I know you're more often than not going to compound your way to actually making it work.
So there's a lot of great people out there that have some really incredible viewpoints on the world, what's happening. All they got to do is get over that one hurdle and say, you know what, I might embarrass myself a little bit, but what the hell, I'm going to give this a shot. And we need that.
You definitely want to take out the reasons why you're doing the videos in the first place and really review them, because it reinforces your conviction and makes it much clearer for you. It's easier to burn through any sort of self-consciousness you might have, because you're thinking about the two whys, one that's personal and one that's larger. And when you do that, it makes you come with a bit more energy, a bit more conviction, and a lot less self-consciousness. So starting with what you know is great. You're comfortable with the topic, so there's less stress on the camera. That allows you to basically focus on what you want to say and how you want to say it, how do you want to frame it. And then on top of that, what you want to do is make it short, 3 to 4 minutes, and just focus on 1 or 2 topics at most. That way you focus on one thing, have multiple examples, and it's much easier for you to do and also much easier for your audience to basically follow. Next thing you want to do is basically scout out a location. There's nothing like coming to a location with all these ideas and you're all ready and everything, ready to go, and then you get too much foot traffic, or the lighting's just not right. You just get totally frustrated. So it's better to really scout out more than one location and really have a series of places you can go. So if one doesn't work, you can go to the next one and the next one, and just make it so your motivation stays high. You go to that location, you film your ideas, and then you're done. You really want to focus on just getting that done and leaving, because the longer you take to actually talk out what you want to say, the more frustrating it can become. There's a tipping point that happens whereby I feel like you actually get demotivated, and then you figure like the rest of the time that you're going to film is just trash. Scenic places like this are nice. If you don't have a filter, you end up getting blowout in the back of you, and then you'll notice you might be having a little too much wind, or just the sound of the waves coming up can affect it. In the next video, I have an idea that'll help you if you have a tendency to start and stop all the time. You might know what you want to say, you might know how you want to say it, but you end up making so many mistakes or takes that it becomes frustrating to actually do this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to burn through all that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.